If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To customize your company's payment settings in QuickBooks Online, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar. Then click the Account and Settings link under the Your Company heading in the menu to open the Account and Settings window. Then click the Payments Company Settings category link in the menu at the left side of the window to show the individual settings in that category to the right. The Payments Settings category contains the merchant details, deposit speed, deposit accounts, business owner info, documents, chart of accounts, and payment methods sections. The settings in these sections let you view and manage your QuickBooks Payments service. To manage your QuickBooks Payments account, click the Manage Account button in the Merchant Details section to open a web page for the service in your device's default web browser. To close the account, if you don't want to use QuickBooks Payments as your merchant processor, click the Account button in this page and select the Account Profile choice in the drop-down menu. Then click the Close Account button at the bottom of the page. To view the Payments dashboard in QuickBooks Online, click the View Payments Dashboard link. The Deposit Speed section shows the processing speed for credit card and ACH transactions for the account. If needed, to add a bank account for QuickBooks Payments deposits, click the Add Bank link in the Deposit Accounts section and follow the on-screen instructions. To edit your business owner's info, click the pencil icon at the right end of the Business Owner Info section to activate its settings, make any changes as needed, and then click the Save button. To view monthly statements, select a month from the Monthly Statements drop-down in the Documents section, and then click the adjacent View link. To set where you automatically record standard deposits and bank fees in your chart of accounts, click the pencil icon at the right end of the Chart of Accounts section to activate it. Then use the Standard Deposits, Instant Deposits, and Processing Fees drop-downs to select to which account to record each respectively. Then click the Save button in this section to save your changes. The Payment Methods section shows the payment methods your business accepts. Separately and optionally, to sign up for a QuickBooks checking account to use with QuickBooks Online, click the QuickBooks Checking button at the left side of the Account and Settings window. Then click the Sign Up for QuickBooks Checking button to start the process, and follow the on-screen instructions that appear to finish. Remember to click the Subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.